Hey guys, and welcome to a new video for the wonderful game TankMechanicSimulator. In this video I want to come back on a tutorial video I made earlier for the SteamWorkshopSupport, because we can expect some changes in the next update of the game. So that will be part 1 of the video, and part 2 is going to handle about the museum stands that some people and myself are making. The workshop uploader can be found in the game files. I'll put the location of where you have to search on your hard drive in the description down below. In order to upload items to the Steam Workshop of TankMechanicSimulator, you need to have the game running in the background. That is just how the program works, and that didn't change in comparison with my older tutorial video. What did change though were the following things. First of all, if you want to update an already existing mod, and you click on the mod in the mod list at the bottom of the upload screen, the previous data as the title and the description will be copied. Actually, this was already the case with the previous version of the uploader, but there was a slight problem with the length of the description field. If you had a long description, as I do, there was a part that didn't get copied, and now it does. Now, what did change, or what is going to change for the uploader in the next update of the game, is how the text file is going to work. Remember that I told you guys in my previous tutorial video that you had to make your own text file named info.txt with only one single word in it, depending on which content you wanted to upload: decals, camos, flags, stands, or posters. Quite some issues with that happened. People forgot about the file or put the wrong tag in it, etc. With the result that the mod didn't get uploaded correctly to the Steam Workshop and eventually couldn't be used. As of the next update, you wouldn't have to create that file anymore. Depending on which tag you choose for your mod, poster, decal, camo, flag, or stands, the system will create an info.txt file automatically. That is good news actually, because one thing we can rule out if something goes wrong is that we did something wrong with that text file, that info.txt file. Everything else stays the same. You fill in the required fields, choose the visibility and the tag once again. This doesn't get copied for existing mods, by the way. You guide the uploader to the upload directory, choose a preview picture, or don't choose any picture, and click on the Create or Update Item button. When the process is done, the Steam Workshop will open automatically on the page of the mod you just uploaded or updated. And so we arrive at part 2 of this video, in which I want to talk briefly about the museum stands some people and myself created or are creating. One bit of advice: stop doing what you're doing. We couldn't upload them yet because the game wasn't ready to receive the custom-made museum stand yet, but we could make them and add them to the game files manually. We know that the game has memory usage issues, and we know that the devs are working on that problem as we speak. One of the sources of that high memory usage are the museum stands. Therefore, the devs came up with a totally new design to create those stands. The new design will exist out of only one template, one texture, in which all museum stands are gathered. The size of that texture is a 4096 by 4096 pixels file with all different sorts of stands represented on it. In other words, if you already made museum stands or you are busy creating them, please stop doing what you're doing, because you will have to redo them anyways. You will have to rework them. The developers are reworking their own museum stands now as we speak as well. So that's it for this video. Normally, if all goes well, we can expect these changes anytime soon. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them. I can be found on the official TankMechanicSimulator Discord or my own community Discord, for which I will put the links in the description down below. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next video. Don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to my channel. It is much appreciated.